What's up guys, my name is Brock, you're watching The Modest Man, and today I'm going to be showing you what's in my Dopp kit. Okay, I've been traveling a little more often recently, and I have a lot of travel coming up this year. And so, like I always try to get really good at packing, and I try not to bring too much. I don't want to overpack. I also don't want to underpack. And obviously, you want to look good, you want to smell good, and so you have to bring the right grooming supplies. So I want to show you what I bring when I travel in my Dopp kit, and I usually go pretty light. I bring a pretty small Dopp kit. It's pretty compact, and so I have a lot of travel size stuff. But of course, I want to keep up my grooming routine, my skincare routine, and everything else that goes along with it. And so I'm going to open up the Dopp kit, show you what's inside real quick. Huge thanks to Tiege Hanley for sponsoring this video and continuing to support The Modest Man. I probably don't have to tell you about Tiege Hanley at this point. I know you've heard of them. They're all over YouTube. Aaron Marino, aka Alpha M, is one of the co-founders of Tiege, and they've just blown up in popularity. So I've been a Tiege customer since pretty much day one. It's a very solid system, so if you're not happy with your current skincare routine, or even worse, if you don't have a routine, I definitely recommend giving Tiege Hanley a shot. If you've been on the fence, there's a little promo down in the description, so definitely check that out. And thanks one more time to Tiege Hanley for supporting my work here at The Modest Man. Okay, so let's open up the Dopp kit and see what's inside. So this is exactly what I bring with me when I travel. Obviously it changes a little bit depending on how long I'm going somewhere in the season and what kind of haircut I have going on and all that stuff, but this is basically what I bring with me. So let's just start from the top. So first up, and definitely one of the most important things, is deodorant. I really like this little travel size Old Spice Swagger. And listen, I've tried all kinds of deodorants. I've tried the fancy all natural stuff, the aluminum free, and I can honestly say that Old Spice Swagger is the best at controlling odor and sweat. And when I'm traveling, that's really all I want. Now, the one downside to this, it does have a pretty strong fragrance. So, if you're trying to wear cologne, it might compete with that a little bit. So just keep that in mind. But I really do like these little travel size deodorants when I'm on the road. Okay, next up, we have my skincare stuff. And I don't bring the entire suite of skincare products, but I do like to bring the essentials. And that is the AM moisturizer, the PM moisturizer, and the face wash from Tiege Hanley. The face wash is a very lightweight product. It's really just meant to remove the dirt from your skin, in the morning and before bed. It goes on clean, it rinses off very easily. It's not a heavy product, it doesn't burn, it doesn't sting, it doesn't tingle. Just a very good, solid face wash for pretty much any skin type. So I use this whenever I shower, usually once a day, sometimes I'll use it twice a day. And then right after I use that, if it's the morning, if I'm gonna be outside, I use the AM face wash. What makes this special is that it has SPF 20, so it has some sun protection built in. This is crucial. I think most guys kind of underestimate how damaging the sun's rays are for your skin. Skin cancer is a huge problem. It's really nice to have a moisturizer that has the SPF sun protection built in, so you don't have to use two different products. Just like the face wash, I find this AM moisturizer goes on very clean. It's a very lightweight product. It kind of absorbs right into your skin and you don't feel greasy or heavy throughout the day. At night, of course, I don't need any sun protection, so I'll use the PM moisturizer. It's a slightly heavier, slightly creamier product, and it's just meant to kind of protect and repair your skin while you sleep. So this is what I bring with me for my skincare routine when I'm on the road. I like these especially because of the size. You can bring them as your carry-on, in your carry-on bag. You're not gonna have any problems with TSA or anything like that. And then of course at home, I'll also use like the eye cream and the serum and stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty much my travel skincare regimen. Okay, next up we have hair stuff. So, hair products, it kind of depends on what kind of haircut I have and what products I'm testing out. So I'm always testing out different things. Right now I'm really liking this Hansafuku Claymation. It works well with the type of hairstyle that I have. It's a matte finish, high hold hair product. And I find that, if I'm on the road, I'm not gonna bring like a pre-styler and a blow dryer and a finishing product. I'm just gonna bring one product. If there's a blow dryer in the hotel room, I'll usually use that. I'll put in a little bit of this as pre-styler, blow dry, and then, top it off with this just to lock everything in place. But I try to travel pretty light, so I just bring one hair product with me. And yeah, right now I'm really digging this stuff from Hansafuku. Okay, next up we have toothpaste. That's pretty basic. I like this or the little travel size ones. just to kind of keep things light. And then I have my toothbrush. I really like these Dr. Perio toothbrushes. They're super soft. And you know, I have kind of sensitive gums, so this is a really great toothbrush for that. It really feels different than any other toothbrush I've used. You can get these on Amazon. And then this little toothbrush protector. You know, sometimes you're staying in like, I don't know, a friend's house and you know, you don't really know the bathroom, or you're staying in a hotel and sharing a room with people. So it's nice to have a little protector to keep your toothbrush clean. I'm a little anal about that kind of stuff. So I really like this. This is like a couple dollars on Amazon, totally worth it. Okay, next up, we have flossers. Now, usually I just bring a couple of these little guys on the road to floss. I floss every day. I think it's a really healthy habit. If you don't do it, you should get into it. And I think these are perfect for travel. I'll usually use these for maybe 2 or 3 nights and then throw them away. I just bring a handful of those. I always bring a couple of Band-Aids, especially if I'm like breaking in a new pair of shoes. I know that I might get some, you know, hot spots or blisters on my heels. So I always bring a couple of Band-Aids just in case. Speaking of just in case, I like to bring some ibuprofen, some Motrin or Advil, just in case I'm dehydrated on the road. I bring a body wipe, usually 2 or 3 of these guys. These are from Anthony, but you can get them in different brands. I like these ones because they're individually wrapped. So if you don't have time for a shower, you can use this on your face and neck, you know, really anywhere you need on your body, and kind of skip the shower if you're strapped for time. Let's see, I have a couple of these little energy blend pills from Uptime. You know, I'm a coffee drinker. I like coffee. That's kind of my preferred caffeine delivery system. I drink it every morning, but you know, if I'm really, really tired or jet lagged or something, I might pop one of these, and I found that they do the trick. Okay, so I also bring a comb with me. For this hairstyle, you know, I don't really need a comb. I just use my hands, but when I have like a side part or something, I'll use a comb. And then of course, I'll bring a nail file. Nails aren't looking too great right now, but I like to have just a nail file on the road just in case I need to clean up my, like a hangnail or something like that. And this is like an electrolyte pill. If you're super hungover, you can take one of these and feel a little better. Clearly, I haven't used this one yet, so yeah, I'm old. I don't go that hard anymore. So finally, last but definitely not least, I bring this little travel-sized shaver trimmer from Wall, and I only shave like every other day, so I'll just kind of use this to clean up and make sure I'm you know, clean shaven on the road. Since I don't shave that often, I don't have much facial hair, I don't really feel the need to bring like a whole shaving kit with me, so this does the trick. I mean, it's not the best shaver in the world. I have a better one at home, but this is like go-to for travel because it's so small and compact. Okay, and that's it. That's pretty much what I bring with me when I travel. Like I said, it changes a little bit depending on the situation and the season, but that is, you know, the base components. Again, I just want to say thanks to Tiege Hanley for supporting my work here. I definitely use the wash and the moisturizer regularly, and I always bring it with me when I travel. It's the perfect little travel size skincare regimen. So thanks again to them. If you've been on the fence about Tiege Hanley, you want to try them out, check that link down in the description. If you have any questions or suggestions for me, let me know down in the comments. And until next time, stay stylish.